Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe at the home. It's me JP Sinha from Ekalabya Educational Complex. Once again we are here at the online session for a video for the physics of standard 12. So students, as you all aware of that, the coronavirus has been increasing again and again. So we need to do some work from our homes through the online criteria, through the online meeting, through the online video session, but we have to do itself by the online criteria. So students, today what we are going to do, we are going to have the study of first chapter of the standard 12, that is electrostatics. Okay students, so let us start with us now. So in the 12th, if we are going to study the physics, the first chapter is from the topic electrostatics, and electrostatics having the first chapter as electric forces and field के बारे में guys. So students, we are going to have the study of electric forces and fields. But before starting the chapter, I would like to describe you that why we should study this kind of chapter. Actually, when you was in about class 9, standard 9, then you must have studied about the different kind of forces, and the different kind of forces has been distributed in the two parts. The first one is contact force and second one is non-contact force. Of course, you should know the contact force is that which act with the contact. For example, you can see the pulling force, the frictional force, and so on. But students, the non-contact force is that one which is not in contact, which is acts without any contact. For example, students, the gravitational force, the electrostatic force, and the magnetic force. Okay students, so from these three parts, now we are focused on the topic electrostatics, that means electric forces. This is also known as electrostatic forces. Okay, so first of all we need to know its application, its uses in our daily life. So in our daily life, the electrostats are used in the different criteria, such as charging any smartphone, such as charging through the induction, such as generating the electric current through one coil to another coil, and many more things. So if we want to do that much kind of things, that much kind of experiments, we must have the knowledge of electrostatics. And in the electrostatics, what we will study students? We will study about that the different kind of charges, their forces of interaction, and their field. So we have started with the chapter electric forces and field. Okay guys, so we are having the introduction here. We are having the introduction over here, introduction of the chapter over here, and in the introduction we can say in this chapter we will study about the charges and their interaction, charges and their interaction. Okay guys, हम लोग ओवरऑल यहाँ पर क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? चार्जेस के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं, एंड उनके बीच होने वाले जो डिफरेंट इंटरैक्शंस हैं उसके बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं। ओके, तो ये तो मैंने आपको एक इंट्रोडक्शन दिया कि इस चैप्टर में हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं। नाउ वी नीड टू नो अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्सेस. यू कैन ऑल्सो से दैट द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट्स. तो इलेक्ट्रो का मीनिंग होता है स्टूडेंट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और चार्जेस। इलेक्ट्रो का मीनिंग होता है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स या फिर चार्जेस, यू कैन ऑल्सो से चार्जेस। एंड स्टैट्स का मीनिंग होता है स्टैटिक यानी कि रेस्ट। तो जब हम लोग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को यानी कि चार्जेस को रेस्ट में रख करके उसके बारे में स्टडी करते हैं, कैसे स्टडी करते हैं? रेस्ट में रख करके, देन दैट विल बी नोन एज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट्स। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इट विल नोन एज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट्स। I think you must have remembered from the standard 10. In standard 10 you have studied one chapter that is known as electric current. In that chapter you have the study of the movable charges. When the charges move from one place to another place, that would be called electric current. But at present in standard 12 you have to study the same thing, the same charges, but putting them into the rest, not in the motion, not in the motion. So that's why it is known as electrostats. Stats मतलब static, static मतलब rest. Okay students, so what we are going to study? We are going to study about the different kinds of charge, their interaction, but at this time we will put the charge at rest condition. Where we will put? We will put the charge at rest condition. Okay, so further moving on the next topic, we are going to erase it. You can note it down if you want. Okay, further we will move on the next topic. Okay students, so now as you can see I have erased the board and now we are starting the lesson thinking by the continuous way. Okay students, so what we need to do here, we need to define first of all the electrostatics. Electrostatics in a complete way. Electrostatics in a complete way. So in a complete way we can define it as like this: the branch of physics, the branch of physics in which we study about the charges, and their interaction, about the charges and their interaction by putting them in rest, is called electrostatics. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये हमने इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स को डिफाइन करा. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स इज दैट ब्रांच ऑफ द फिजिक्स इन विच वी स्टडी अबाउट द चार्जेस एंड देयर इंटरैक्शन. चार्जेस के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे एंड उनके इंटरैक्शन को स्टडी करेंगे. साथ ही साथ हम चार्ज को कैसे सिचुएशन में रखेंगे, रेस्ट के सिचुएशन में रखेंगे. देन इट वुड बी कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स. तब इसको क्या कहा जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स? इट विल बी कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स. हम लोग इसको इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स नाम देंगे बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रो का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे चार्जेस एंड स्टैटिक्स का मतलब होता है रेस्ट. तो रेस्ट में रख करके पढ़ने वाले हम लोग. ओके, so for this consideration we have to discuss about the charges. So our next heading is charge. Okay, what is our next heading? Our next heading is charge. So what is charge? Charge क्या होता है, अब इसको जानते हैं. So the charge is defined as, charge is the internal nature of posing, attraction and repulsion, posing, attraction and repulsion towards themselves, it is formed by the accepting or donating of electron, from an atom, Okay students, this would be the definition of the charge. Okay, so what we have defined in the form of charge? Charge is the internal nature of posing attraction and repulsion towards themselves. मतलब चार्ज जो है किसी मटेरियल का, किसी पार्टिकल का एक नेचर है। चार्ज किसी पार्टिकल का, किसी मटेरियल का एक नेचर है जो उसके अपने ही तरह के और पार्टिकल से अट्रैक्ट होने या रिपेल होने का फेनोमेना प्रोवाइड करता है, जो उसके इस तरह के इंटरैक्शन को शो करता है। तो दैट वुड बी नोन एज चार्ज। एंड अब ये फॉर्म कैसे होंगे? तो चार्ज इज फॉर्म्ड बाय एक्सेप्टिंग और डोनेटिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम एन एटम। Let's suppose we are having an atom, students, here, sodium atom. Then it is a kind of atom, that's why it will be neutral. It is a kind of atom, that's why it will be neutral. But suppose if it has been donated its electron, it becomes Na plus, and one electron, the donated, that has been removed in the form of E minus. So what will be this? This one will be called charge. Which kind of charge? Positive kind of charge. And the electron that has been removed from this will become a negative charge. So we can break here to form the charges. We can also have the second example of accepting of electron. Here we have the donation of electron. We have also another example of acceptance of electron. Suppose we are having the chlorine atom. Chlorine is a particular atom which presently neutral in state, because it don't have lose any electron, neither it has gained the electron. So if it gains the electron, it will form Cl minus, and what it would form? It has been formed the negative charge. क्या फॉर्म कर चुका है? अब ये देखिए, नेगेटिव चार्ज। कब फॉर्म किया? जब इसने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट करा है। जब इसने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट करा है तो इसने क्या फॉर्म कर दिया? नेगेटिव चार्ज को फॉर्म कर दिया। सो दैट इज अबाउट द चार्जेस। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो फिर से आप चाहो तो इसको नोट कर सकते हो या इसका एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो। आई एम इरेजिंग इट नाउ। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, okay students, so as you can see, now again I have erased the board, and now we are going to study the some properties of the charges. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the types and properties of the charges. So first of all, types of charge has been taken as the heading. So how many types of charge are there? As you already know, there are two types of charge. The first one is positive charge and the second one is negative charge. The positive charge is formed by metallic atom. Positive charge is formed by metallic atom. मेटल के जो एटम्स होंगे उनसे ये बनेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करके। और नेगेटिव चार्ज इज फॉर्म्ड बाय नॉन मेटेलिक एटम। जो नॉन मेटेलिक एटम होंगे उनसे ये बनेगा स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, तो ये हमने मेंशन किया। अब अगर हम चार्जेस के नेचर की बात करें, नेचर ऑफ द चार्जेस, तो नेचर ऑफ द चार्जेस में चार्ज के दो तरह के नेचर होते हैं। ओके, द फर्स्ट नेचर इज बीइंग अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड्स देमसेल्फ, अट्रैक्टिव नेचर, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज रिपल्सिव नेचर। ओके गाइज, सो व्हाट इज द अट्रैक्टिव नेचर? Attractive nature is one that found between the different kind of charges. Different kind of charges. You can also say unlike charges. Different kind of charges, that means unlike charges. Suppose one is positive charge and second one is negative charge. What they will do? They will attract each other. What they will do? They will attract each other. But the repulsive nature is found between the same kind of charges. If the same kind of charges are there, you can say also the like charges are there, then they will have repulsion between them. Same kind of charges or like charges will have repulsion between them. Suppose one is negative charge and other one is also negative. They will have repulsion between them. If one is positive charge and second one is also a positive charge, they will have repulsion with each other. So in both of these cases, you can see the both charges of same nature, both charges of the like charges. So they will have repulsion between each other. And in the upper case, you can see one is positive charge, another one is negative charge. That's why they will have attraction with each other. Okay students, further we are moving to the test of the charge. टेस्ट ऑफ चार्ज. चार्ज को हम लोग टेस्ट कैसे करेंगे, आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे कि वेदर इट इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. तो इट कैन बी डन बाय द हेल्प ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप. हाउ इट कैन बी डन? इट कैन बी डन बाय इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप. In the ancient time, it was called the gold leaf electroscope. Gold leaf electroscope. Ancient time में इसको gold leaf electroscope कहा जाता था. You must have studied about this in your standard 8. Standard 8 में आपका एक चैप्टर था स्टूडेंट्स. चैप्टर का नाम था आपका लाइटनिंग एंड कंडक्टर्स, है ना. सम नेचुरल फेनोमेना भी किसी बुक में उसका नाम लिखा गया. तो कुछ बुक में नेचुरल फेनोमेना के नेम से है, कुछ बुक में लाइटनिंग नेम से है. तो आप उस बुक को एक बार खोल के पढ़ोगे, यू विल गेट देयर द गोल्ड लीफ इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप. उसके बारे में आपको इंट्रोडक्शन वहां मिलेगा. ये एक तरह का डिवाइस होता था जो एक बॉटल लेकर के बनाया जाता है स्टूडेंट्स. कुछ इस तरह के शेप में होता है ये. अब ये एक बॉटल में लेकर के हम लोग क्या करते थे यहाँ पे, तो ये एक बॉटल या जार जैसा कुछ स्ट्रक्चर लेकर के हम लोग इसके ऊपर एक लगा देते थे, है ना, मेटालिक कैप. एंड दिस मेटालिक कैप वुड बी हैंग्ड द टू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ गोल्ड फॉइल. ये गोल्ड का कुछ फॉइल यहाँ पे ये हैंग किया हुआ होता था. और हम लोग यहाँ से अब ये चार्ज्ड प्लेट रखते थे. लेट सपोज इट इज द पॉजिटिव चार्ज्ड, it is positively charged, and we are putting here negative charges. We are putting here negative charges. Then the both leaf will get attracted towards themselves. And if we are having the positive charges on the upper corner, they will again repel from each other. So by their attraction and repulsion, we will obtain that which kind of charge is it. Either it is a positive charged body or it is a negative charged body. Okay students, but nowadays there are different kind of electroscope that has been already discovered, which directly tells you, which directly indicates you that the charges is positive or negative, because there are lots of new things are used nowadays. That's why they directly mention you on the screen that the charges is positive or negative. Okay guys, so this one is the thing about the charges. Next thing is measurement of charge. Next thing is measurement of charge, कि charges का measurement कैसे करेंगे हम लोग. तो measurement जो होता है चार्ज का, वो उसके SI यूनिट कूलाम्ब में होता है गाइस. किस में होता है? SI यूनिट कूलाम्ब में. तो चार्ज इज मेजर्ड इन कूलाम्ब. चार्ज इज मेजर in coulomb. How it is measured? It is measured in coulomb. coulomb में measure होता है. It is denoted by C symbol. C symbol से हम लोग denote करेंगे coulomb को. And charges are denoted by Q symbol. Charges are denoted by Q symbol. It can also be represented as small q. Okay guys. So what we have studied today? We have studied today about the introduction of electrostatics, introduction of electric forces, and we have also studied about the charge and the properties of charge, types of charge, nature of charge, test of charge, and so on. So for this session, this is only the topics that I have to describe you. For the next session, we will move on the next topic, that is the Coulomb's law. Okay, where we will move? We will move on the topic Coulomb's law. Actually, the standard 12 portion starts from the Coulomb's law, and this one thing that I have described you, this one is the introductory parts. Okay, this one is the introductory parts only that has been introduced you to revise your previous knowledges. Okay, so students, remains connected with us, remain safe at home, remain protected from COVID virus. We will meet again in the next video. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.